Designs by DeYoung, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with my daughter and we are going to share with you what I call atomic cooking. You see, back in the 1950s, a lot of people loved to cook with things that were either in a can or a box, and you start to see a lot of those recipes becoming really popular the more you read cookbooks. So today I'm going to share with you my recipe for something that is a fun summertime picnic thing, and it's called cookie salad. So if you love fudge stripe cookies, you are going to love this recipe. So why don't we just go ahead and get started, and you'll see how delicious this is in the end. Are you ready to see if you're going to like this?
Yeah.
This is a really simple recipe. We're going to take our instant pudding and we're going to put our 2 packages right in to the bowl. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our buttercream.
At least 2 cups.
This is a half a cup. 1, 2, that makes 1 cup. All right. Then after that, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to mix this up. As you can see, it's going to be thick, and it's actually meant to be thick. Okay, from here, it's what we did is we incorporated it as far as we could. It's going to be thick. Going to set that aside, and now what we're going to do is we're going to fold in our whipped cream.
Make sure you get all of it out of the carton.
Yep, you're going to need this entire container of whipped cream. After you get done doing that, what you're going to do is you're going to fold in the whipping cream into the pudding mixture. I'm going to give it one quick stir here just to get everything off the bottom. Continuing to scrape the bottom of the bowl and folding it into the recipe. This looks pretty mixed in already at this point. The next thing that we're going to need for you to do, if you'd like to help, is if you could dump in our can of mandarin oranges.
Gladly.
Thank you. I'm going to dump that in. Okay, and then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to break up all of these cookies that we've had in the refrigerator. We're just going to use our hands and we're going to crunch them up like this. They can be big, they can be a little bit little, but this is what we're going to do. We're going to add our crunched cookies.
If you don't mind getting messy, this should be the most fun part.
Exactly. It's going to taste absolutely delicious in the end. I know it looks like a lot, but once you incorporate this in with everything else, it starts to make sense.
And before you do this, make sure you wash your hands through and through.
Okay, I think we got them all in. I'm going to go ahead and fold them in with our mixture from before. And one thing I do love about this recipe is everything gets made all in one bowl, and this entire thing literally came together in less than 10 minutes. Ooh, cookie salad. If you're really worried about having it look decorative when you get ready to serve this, what you can do is hold off a few of the mandarin oranges for garnish and or a cookie for garnish. All right, that's it. That's cookie salad.
So how do you feel about cookie pudding?
Cookie pudding?
Yeah,
Whoa!
I've never heard of it either.
So, like, what is it? Is it like a McDonald's salad with cookies in it?
No, I don't know what you're talking about. Why don't we try it?
So you guys, so here's that cookie salad. Who wants to be the first person to try some?
Me, of course.
You want to try some, Ella? Okay. All right, and here we go. You want to try some as well?
Oh yeah, I totally will.
Okay, here's some for you too.
Wait, oh wait.
No, I'm not clinking spoons.
Oh, okay.
So tell me what you think. Do you really like it?
Mm-hmm. It's sweet, and then the fruit kind of helps take it away. And then it's like a balance of both, and it tastes really good. Nice job, Mom.
Thank you. What do you think?
I think it's like a 50-50. It's okay, but it's not great. I'll eat it later though. It's good.
Well, this is a perfect summer salad, and it's great for any picnic, and it makes a little bit of ingredients makes a really large serving. So, from our kitchen to yours, and happy atomic cooking, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to continue to learn more recipes, continue to follow my channel and subscribe. And then also, as you can see, I have other recipes for brats, chicken wings, and all these other fun ways to learn how to cook in a very simple way. And of course, there's always design tips along with it too. Well, we'll continue to see you on the web. Thanks for your support. Anyway, so I was thinking,
I'm Paul Bunyan. Wait, you need to make sure everything's good.
okay, I like it better. I like it better the
It's
other way.
mine. It's my joke. Don't take it from
Do
me.
it. You got inspired.